If you're over 60, these foods can boost your energy and protect your brain. Feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe your energy fades halfway through the day? Here's the truth. After 60, your body's nutritional needs change dramatically. But the good news is, by adding just 7 simple superfoods to your daily meals, you can recharge your energy, strengthen your body, and feel years younger, naturally. Stay tuned, because number 5 is the one most seniors miss, yet it can completely transform your health. Why superfoods matter. After 60, your body's nutritional needs shift dramatically. Digestion slows, muscle mass declines, and energy levels drop, making it harder to stay active and independent. That's why embracing a healthy diet for elderly individuals is more than a lifestyle choice. It's a necessity. The right superfoods for seniors can recharge your body, sharpen your mind, and support healthy aging from the inside out. These foods aren't exotic or expensive. They're simple, accessible, and backed by science. Whether you're wondering what to eat after 60 or searching for easy meals for seniors, this guide offers practical solutions. Each item is chosen to support senior nutrition, boost immunity, and promote healthy living over 60. Think of this as your personal roadmap to senior wellness. With the right foods for seniors, you can reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and even protect your brain. These are the best foods after 60, not just for longevity, but for quality of life. Because aging well isn't about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. Let's explore the top 7 superfoods for longevity that every senior should consider adding to their plate. 1. Oats, the gentle power starter. Oats are one of the most powerful yet gentle superfoods for seniors. They provide long-lasting energy, making them a top choice among energy foods after 60. Rich in soluble fiber, oats help regulate blood sugar and support heart health, 2 critical pillars of senior wellness. For those seeking a healthy diet for elderly individuals, oats are a must-have breakfast staple. Unlike sugary cereals, rolled or steel-cut oats offer slow-releasing carbohydrates that keep you full and focused. Add cinnamon, chia seeds, or berries for an extra antioxidant boost, perfect for healthy aging and brain support. These combinations also make oats one of the most easy meals for seniors, requiring minimal prep and maximum benefit. If you're wondering what to eat after 60, oats are a smart place to start. They're affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrients that support senior health. Plus, they pair beautifully with other foods to boost immunity, like yogurt and nuts. Incorporating oats into your morning routine is a simple yet powerful senior health tip. Whether you're managing diabetes, heart concerns, or just looking to feel more energized, oats deliver. They're truly one of the best foods after 60, nourishing your body and mind with every spoonful. 2. Fatty fish, food for the brain. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are essential superfoods for seniors, especially when it comes to brain health and joint flexibility. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish support memory, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy aging. For seniors seeking a sharper mind and stronger body, fatty fish are among the best foods after 60. Omega-3s are known to protect against cognitive decline, making fatty fish a cornerstone of any anti-aging diet. If you're vegetarian, don't worry. Flax seeds and walnuts offer plant-based alternatives that still support senior nutrition and brain function. These options are also excellent foods to boost immunity, helping your body fight off illness naturally. Including fatty fish in your weekly meals is a smart senior health tip. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better. Whether grilled, baked, or added to salads, fish is one of the most flavorful and effective foods for seniors. For those wondering what to eat after 60, fatty fish is a delicious way to support senior wellness. It's easy to prepare, nutrient-dense, and deeply restorative. Add it to your lunch or dinner rotation and feel the difference in your energy, mood, and mobility. A true superfood for longevity. 3. Leafy greens, the anti-aging shield. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are true superfoods for seniors. They're packed with folate, vitamin K, and calcium. Nutrients that protect your bones, eyesight, and immune system. For anyone focused on healthy aging, these greens are essential. They support senior wellness by reducing inflammation and strengthening your body's natural defenses. Incorporating leafy greens into your meals is one of the simplest senior health tips. Whether steamed, sautéed, or blended into smoothies, they're versatile and easy to prepare, making them ideal easy meals for seniors. Plus, they're low in calories and high in fiber, which helps with digestion and weight management. If you're wondering what to eat after 60, start with greens. They're a cornerstone of any anti-aging diet and a powerful way to boost senior nutrition. Their antioxidant properties also make them excellent foods to boost immunity, helping your body fight off illness and stay resilient. Leafy greens are among the best foods after 60, not just for longevity, but for quality of life. They're affordable, accessible, and deeply nourishing. Add a handful to your lunch or dinner and feel the difference in your energy, mood, and mobility. It's a small change with a big impact on healthy living over 60. 4. Berries, nature's antioxidant candy. Berries are sweet, colorful, and packed with antioxidants, making them one of the most delicious superfoods for seniors. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these fruits help fight inflammation, improve memory, and support heart health. They're a must-have in any anti-aging diet and a top pick for energy foods after 60. A small bowl of mixed berries daily can lower your risk of heart disease and cognitive decline, two major concerns in senior health. Their high vitamin C content also makes them excellent foods to boost immunity, helping your body stay strong and resilient. For those seeking a healthy diet for elderly individuals, berries are a simple and effective addition. Berries are also incredibly versatile. Add them to oats, yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. They're perfect for easy meals for seniors. Their natural sweetness satisfies cravings without spiking blood sugar, making them ideal for diabetics and anyone managing their weight. If you're asking what to eat after 60, berries should be on your list. They support senior nutrition, enhance brain function, and promote healthy living over 60. Plus, they're fun to eat and easy to love. A true gift from nature for anyone focused on senior wellness and longevity. 5. Nuts and seeds, the longevity snack. Nuts and seeds are compact powerhouses, rich in healthy fats, magnesium, and plant-based protein. They're one of the most underrated superfoods for seniors, yet they play a vital role in heart health, cholesterol control, and sustained energy. Just one handful a day can support senior wellness and help maintain strength and focus. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are especially beneficial for senior nutrition. They're easy to add to oats, yogurt, or salads, making them perfect easy meals for seniors. Soaking almonds overnight improves digestion, a helpful tip for anyone managing slower metabolism after 60. These crunchy bites are also excellent foods to boost immunity, thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. For those wondering what to eat after 60, nuts and seeds offer a simple, portable solution that fits into any routine. Whether you're building an anti-aging diet or looking for energy foods after 60, this snack delivers. It's a smart choice for anyone focused on healthy aging and long-term vitality. Plus, They're budget-friendly and shelf-stable, ideal for seniors managing meal prep on their own. In short, nuts and seeds are among the best foods after 60. Small in size, but mighty in impact. Add them to your daily plate and feel the difference. 6. Sweet potatoes, the energy stabilizer. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutrient-rich alternative to white potatoes, making them one of the most comforting superfoods for seniors. They're packed with fiber, vitamin A, and slow-digesting carbohydrates that help stabilize blood sugar and keep you full longer. For anyone seeking energy foods after 60, sweet potatoes are a smart, satisfying choice. Their natural sweetness and vibrant color make them a favorite in any healthy diet for elderly individuals. They're especially helpful for diabetics and those managing weight or digestion, key concerns in senior health. Whether roasted, mashed, or baked, sweet potatoes are easy to prepare and perfect for easy meals for seniors. These root vegetables also support senior nutrition by providing antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote healthy aging. They're gentle on the stomach and versatile in recipes, from soups to side dishes. If you're wondering what to eat after 60, sweet potatoes should be on your list. They're affordable, accessible, and deeply nourishing, ideal for building an anti-aging diet that supports long-term vitality. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your weekly meals is a simple yet powerful senior health tip. They're one of the best foods after 60, offering comfort, energy, and healing in every bite. 7. Yogurt or curd, the gut healer. Yogurt or curd is a gentle yet powerful ally in senior wellness. Rich in calcium and probiotics, it supports bone strength, digestion, and immune function, making it one of the most essential superfoods for seniors. A healthy gut is the foundation of healthy aging, and yogurt helps restore balance from within. For seniors, nutrient absorption becomes more difficult with age. That's where probiotics come in. They improve digestion and enhance the body's ability to absorb vitamins and minerals. This makes yogurt a key player in senior nutrition and one of the top foods to boost immunity. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars. You can pair it with berries, oats, or nuts for a complete, balanced meal. Ideal for easy meals for seniors. It's also a great option for those wondering what to eat after 60, especially if you're managing digestive issues or bone health. Yogurt fits beautifully into an anti-aging diet, offering both comfort and clinical benefits. It's affordable, versatile, and deeply restorative, a true staple in any healthy diet for elderly individuals. In short, yogurt is one of the best foods after 60, soothing, strengthening, and scientifically backed. Add it to your daily routine and feel the transformation in your mood, immunity, and mobility. How to add them easily. Start your day with oats and berries. Lunch. Include greens and a piece of fish or nuts. Dinner. Roasted sweet potatoes with yogurt on the side. You don't need to change your entire diet. Just build habits one meal at a time. So, which of these superfoods will you start eating tomorrow morning? Tell us in the comments, and inspire someone else to take that first healthy step today. Because after 60, health isn't about living longer, it's about living better. This channel empowers seniors and families with healthy aging habits, senior nutrition, and positive living.